Okay, page 48. Okay, now let's start with the first one, which is complete each sentence with other, others, and another. Now let me write here. Can someone remind me about this grammar? Other, others, and another. Very easy grammar. Let's start with other. How do I use other in a sentence? ها ثالث. We had our exam, of course you remember. Hello.
Other. Other can be used as an adjective before a plural noun to mean additional or
Very good.
further.
Yes, very good. To mean an extra or an additional one. So just let me write it here. So Ragad is saying that we use other before plural pronouns. So can you give me an example? So it would be so other plus plural nouns. And example for that is I have other books. As you saw in the exam, the question would be about what is the noun that I put here. Is it singular or plural? How are you going to decide that? According to the word before it. If it was other, then you're going to make the noun plural or choose the plural noun. If it was others, you're going to it's going to be a whole word as it is, like an object. Now let me show you something here for you. As you can see here, we have another, other, and others. I use another before singular noun, not a plural one. For example, he wants another book. So it means he wants one more book. Other before plural noun, as we saw, he wants other books. Okay. Now, I use others if I want to replace the other with the plural noun. How? He wants others, which means books. But I should refer to books before. I should talk about the books and then I say he wants others, which means he wants other books. Now let's go back to the exercise that we have in our book. Now, what do you think, Thalith? You can participate in the chat if it's easy for you. Number one, I'm almost done with this soda. Can you please bring me?
Another.
Yes, thank you. Thank you.
Another.
Another. Why? Which subject I refer to when I say another? I refer to the soda, this soda. So it's singular. That's why I'm going to use another. Number two. Who can do number two? Some predators.
Can I do it?
Yes, Rima.
Some predators wait for their prey to come to them. Other product.
Very good. Other. Yes, other. Predators chase their prey. Other predators. Better. As you can see here, no, we cannot add another because the noun after the blank, which is other or others or another, is plural, predators. So which one of them I can add before the plural noun? Other. I cannot add anything to others. And another, no, also I cannot add other, or I can add a singular one, but I cannot add a plural one, only for other. Number 3, Don is so materialistic. Although he already has 2 cars, he's going to buy. He has 2 cars.
Another.
Yes. To buy another. Yes, I think another would be correct. Thank you, Rahaf. Number 4. One lucrative crop for many farmers is soybeans.
Another.
And yes, thank you,
Another.
Maria. Yes, thank you, Maria. Another, oh, just a minute. Another is corn. Even if you don't understand the words here, because I have is, I'm going to say another. Okay? So try to find something that tell you the correct answer, even if you don't understand the words that are written. Number 5. He excels in
Other.
Yes, Qadi?
Other.
Track gymnastic and a handful of other. Very good. Thank you. Other sports. Thank you also, Bayadir. Yes, that is correct. Other, because I have a plural noun. So, of course, I'm going to add other. Very good. Number 6. That store is a chain. There are a few in Spain and Italy and in France and Germany. Yes, Bayadir? Very good. Others. Why? Because there are. He said there are, as you can see here. There are a few in Spain and Italy and others in France and Germany. Very good. One of the most famous children's books by Dr. Seuss is The Cat in the Hat. And then a blank are one fish, two fish, red fish, blue fish, and Horton hatches the egg. So what do you think? We have here 2 books. Yes,
Others.
Maria?
Others.
Yes, very good. Others. Thank you. Why? Because he mentioned after that 2 books and because there is are, as you can see. Here we have is, that's why I chose another. And here I have are. If you notice, others and another, it could be alone as a pronoun. But other, no, I should add it to a pronoun, to a, sorry, a word. يعني إنه another و others ممكن تكون كلمة لحالها. أقول others are, another is. لكن other من دون ال s, no. Okay. Now, the last one, number 8. Just let me erase this. One option would be to spend the money on a vacation. And then blank would be to put in a savings account. Yes, Beade. Another would be, yes, thank you, René. Yes, another would be, why? Because he said one option. And then he mentioned another one, so I would say another. Even when I talk, I said another one. Okay, so I think this grammar is very easy. And although it's easy, you need to focus because sometimes it could be tricky. Okay, now we have we're going to rewrite the underlined sentences with used to, be used to, or would. Now, can someone remind me where do I use used to in a sentence? Other people who did not
When I
participate.
describe something, I used to do it.
Very good. Are you doing this thing now? Yes, very good, Renee. Yes, very good. The thing with used to is something that I did in the past, And I used to do it in the past, but now in the present time, no. I no longer do this thing. Very good. Thank you, Renee. What about be used to? By the way, be here represent verb to be. For example, when I say she is used to wake 9 in the morning, to wake up 9 in the morning, okay? Or they are used to. So be is a verb to be. What is the meaning of used to? Does it mean the same thing as this used to? What is the difference between I used to wake up 9 in the morning or I am used to wake up 9 in the morning? Whole different meaning.
واحدة في الباست وواحدة في البريزنت.
Very good. So when I say I used to wake up 9 in the morning. Now, do I wake up 9 in the morning? If I said this sentence, you will understand that no, I don't wake up 9 in the morning. But if I said I am used to wake up 9 in the morning, you will understand that now I can wake up 9 in the morning. I am used to that. So this one is in the present, in the past, sorry, and this one is in the present. Okay? Now, you're going to underline the sentences with used to, be used to, and would. Would, the same thing as used to. The only difference between would and used to is that I use used to for real events that was in the past, but would no. I would use it for maybe when I'm thinking about something in the past. For example, here, he's a very humble man. He doesn't usually take credit for anything. So he rewrite the sentence saying he is not used to taking credit for anything. You see? Number one, when he lived in Riyadh, he often drove by Faisaliya Tower. So how are you going to rewrite this sentence, whether you're going to use used to, be used to, or would? In this sentence, he said he doesn't. So it's in the present. That's why he said he is not used to. He used this used to. This one. Now, when he lived in Riyadh, he often drove by Faisaliya Tower. How are you going to rewrite the sentence? Are you going to say used to, or be used to, or would? Alice.
He used to?
Yes, very good. I'm going to
Then
use
he
the
was
past one.
used.
I'm not going to use anything. I'm
Because
not going to
drove,
use be used to. So you're going to say
right?
when he lived. I hope you're writing with me. When he lived in Riyadh, yes. Haragat.
He used to
Mm-hmm.
drive to,
Yes, he used to drive
right?
by Faisaliya.
Faisaliya.
Yeah, Faisaliya Tower. Easy. You just have to see the tense of the sentence. Is it in the present? So you're going to say be used to. Is it in the past? So you're going to say used to or would. Here we can say also would. I can say when he lived, sorry, not lives. When he lived in Riyadh, he would drive by Al Faisaliya Tower. Okay, the same thing, whether it's used to or would. Number 2. Puppy felt lonely when his sister went to college. It felt strange not having her in the house. So,
Teacher, can I answer?
yes, please, Rimas. Yes, honey.
He was used to
He was used to. Uh-huh.
having
Used to having. Uh-huh.
here in the house.
Mm, he was used to. Can we say that? He was used to. Yes, I think we can say he was used to, because his sister was in the house and he was seeing her every day. Mm, I think yes, we can. Yeah, yeah. Yes, we can say. Very good. He was used to having her in the house. So you're going to write, Bobby felt lonely when his sister went to college. He was used to having her in the house. I would prefer he was used to have her in the house. It's more correct. Thank you so much, Rimas. Number 3. If you have a question, Thalith, why did we write this sentence in this way? Please ask me. Number 3. This coffee shop is where I studied when I was in college. So, how are you going to rewrite the sentence again? Something that was in the past, when I studied, when I was in college. So it's in the past. Someone who did not participate today. Come on, this is the last one. Jude, would you try? Hello.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Would you please answer this question? You're going to rewrite it again, whether with used to, be used to, or would. This coffee shop is where I studied when I was in college.
In this coffee shop, I used to study.
Very good.
Was I in college?
Say it again, please. Yes.
This coffee shop.
Uh-huh.
I used to study
Is
when I was
where.
in college.
Is where. You're so sleepy, Jude.
No, it's okay.
This coffee shop is where, please sleep at night, is where I used to study when I was in college. Do you have any question, Thalith? Any question?
No, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, since the marks have changed, please also I want you to participate more. Try, please. I think, Thalith, I don't know if you're familiar or maybe if you heard the book or the series of books that was Traveler 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Traveler 5 was the worst one. I don't know if someone told you or if you have seen the book before. It was the worst one. It was very difficult and it wasn't nice. I'm telling you, as a teacher, I didn't find it any nice or to teach that book. But your book is
Why?
very
What does it
easy.
have?
Say it again, please.
What does it have?
Grammar, I don't know, many grammars and they are complicated, not fun at all. But your book is nice, easy. So I think you should, take a credit for that. Just a minute, let me take the attendance. Hmm? So Bader is here, Jude is here, Dana?
Yes.
Ragad is here, Rafif is here, Rimas, Rahaf, Rima, Sarah?
Yes, teacher.
Sadine?
Yes.
Shafiqa? Shafiqa is absent. Shahad? Shahad is absent. Ghadi is here. Farah? Farah?
نعم.
Maria is here. Najia?
نعم.
Yes.
Nadia is here. And Ranim is here. Okay, so this is all for today. Have a nice day, Thalis. Please prepare for the next class. We're going to complete, so if you try to answer the questions, you would participate more. Bye-bye.